2013 F-150 Super Crew Lariat 4x4. 91,000 miles. Has everything. Heated seats, air-conditioned seats, power, sliding rear window, moonroof, navigation, backup camera, tow package, Carfax certified, sprayed in bed liner, alloy wheels, running boards. It's black pearl metallic. In amazing condition. Not a door ding or a scratch on it. Leather seats, power windows and locks, cruise, Sony sync. 91,000 miles. Backup camera. Air-conditioned and heated seats. Navigation. Original floor mats, remote start, moonroof, power sliding window works fine, moonroof works fine. Vehicle needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. (2013) Ford F-150 Lariat Super Crew 4x4. Every package, 91,000 miles, in amazing condition.